In spite of fulfilling all your desires, you see that you are still not happy. In the material nature, we think that by fulfilling our desires, we are going to be happy. But in spite of fulfilling all our desires, eventually we realize, I'm still not happy. Then what happens? One eventually gets to realize that this material nature is a place of suffering. Now, can you enjoy in a place of suffering? Can you enjoy through an instrument that is meant to give you pain? Huh? Yes, who said no? Thank you. Yes. So, this material nature is a place of suffering, and this body is an instrument that has been beautifully designed to inflict pain upon you. And that's why I thanked Mataji for confirming that. Now let's consider this body. We are trying to enjoy through this body. But will we really be able to enjoy through this body? Just take any part of your body. Take any part of your body, just an insignificant part. Any part. Okay, the thought that comes to my mind is little finger. Consider in how many different ways you can give pleasure to this little finger. But consider in how many different ways you can give pain to this little finger. Huh? We don't have to imagine very much. In so many ways we can inflict pain to this little finger. Do you have to let our imagination go? Take a knife, cut it. Take a stone, smash it. Take some fire, burn it. Well, don't have to do that much. Take a needle and just pinch it. What will you get? In this way, there you can think of thousands of different ways to inflict pain to this little finger. Now you consider in how many ways you can give pleasure to this little finger. Practically none. Now mind you, the little finger was just any choice. I could have selected any part of my body. Now that principle actually applies to any part of our body. We can inflict pain in 1,000 different ways, but there is hardly any way we can give pleasure to that body, part of the body. So what does it actually imply? Doesn't it imply that this body is meant to receive pain? So the body is meant to receive pain, and this material nature is a place to receive pain, to suffer. And in our life, what we are actually trying to do, avoid these possibilities of suffering, avoid the possibilities of receiving pain. That's what we are always doing. We are trying to avoid. And when we are successfully able to avoid receiving pain, we call it happiness. So when we realize that this material nature is a place of suffering, and we all are here in this material body to suffer, to receive pain, then what should be the intelligent consideration? The intelligent consideration should be to get out of here. Get out of here. That is the intelligent consideration, is to get out of here. I am suffering. So why should I suffer? Maybe the way to get rid of the suffering is by getting out of here. So that is the desire for liberation. So karma is leading to sense gratification. Sense gratification means trying to enjoy through this body. The body is a network of senses. And sense gratification is the way, is the means by which we are trying to enjoy through this body. So we are trying to enjoy through this body. But ultimate conclusion is, we are suffering. No matter whatever we do, we are meant to suffer.